Cheats Chicken Souvlaki Wraps. You will need gyros wraps, chicken souvlaki strips, a Kaleslaw salad kit, avocados and feta to have these wraps ready in 25 minutes. Start by preheating a large non-stick frying pan over high heat. Cook 4 gyro wraps, one at a time for 1 minute each side or until golden and heated through. Transfer to a plate and wrap in foil to keep warm. Next, cook the chicken souvlaki strips in a pan in 2 batches, turning as you go for 4 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. Transfer chicken to a heatproof bowl. To prep the salad, toss the Kaleslaw salad kit in a large bowl with the seed mix and dressing from the packet. Divide the wraps among serving plates, top with the Kaleslaw, chicken and avocado. Crumble over feta and season with salt and pepper. These Greek-inspired souvlaki wraps are quick to make and fun to eat. For the full recipe, see the description below. For more 5-ingredient dinners, head to our What's for Dinner playlist here.